Julie and Patrick here.
Let's watch another video.
People frequently visit places like the Container Store to purchase clutter coffins to hide their hoards. But the best way to organize your stuff isn't to store it in a basement mausoleum. The best way to organize is to get rid of the excess stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah, words of wisdom.
People...
Hey, babe.
Yes.
Can I go get some clutter coffins? I think we need to go get some clutter coffins.
Oh, I know what you're getting for Christmas.
Save them in my basement mausoleum.
Yeah.
You know, this is by a minimalist, which, minimalism. I think that different people have different levels of stuff that they like to keep that makes them happy. And I don't think that everybody's happy with being a minimalist. But I did think it was funny, the clutter coffins, which I will, from this day forward, be calling every time I need to go buy some.
I just see you walking up to a store associate. Hey, where are the clutter coffins?
This is great. Great.
Fantastic. Would you consider consider us? I am definitely the hoarder of us two. Would that be correct?
No.
No?
No.
So you do have a lot of stuff, but it's all organized. You label everything. You have a spot for everything.
Yeah, I have more stuff in my clutter coffins and stored in my mausoleum.
Oh.
All right, thanks everyone.
Take care. Bye.